Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and customize menus on your website. So when we're talking about menus in this case, what I mean is the menus that you find on your home page and on the rest of the pages on your website, where you can choose to visit different pages. So here, for example, on Harassmap, we have under the About menu different pages that you can go to. The same for our work, resources, and take action. So I'm going to show you how to create this menu that leads your users to different pages and different sections of your website. So to start working on the menus, you will log in to the dashboard and you will scroll and find menus in the top panel. And when you're first starting off building up the menus on your website, you will find it empty like this. So the first thing you need to do is to create two different folders where all your menus are gonna go. So the first folder that you will create will be called Main Menu. So first here, choose your domain that you're working in. Here I'm working with apptrafficcontrol.com. So that's what I'm choosing. Under code, I will choose Main Menu. And in the title, I will type Main Menu. Disable this link will mean that it will not appear anywhere and you will not be able to click on it. This is just a folder that will be created in the admin panel for you to be able to organize your menus in a good way. And then we'll create and close. So everything that you create that you want to appear up here in the main menu, you will create in the admin panel and put it inside this folder, the main menu. We're also going to create another folder for the menus at the bottom. And we were going to call that the footer. So I choose my domain, footer menu under the code, and then I will call it here also footer menu. And I will disable the link and create and close. So now I have created two folders here in the admin panel, and in those folders I will start to create the actual menus that will appear on my website. So to do that, we will click New Menu, and I will choose my domain. And if I want to start to create the menus, the four top menus here, for example, they're sort of like folders on your website where people can choose then which page they want to go to. So I want to create About. So in the title, I will write About. In the code section, I don't choose anything. And because I don't want my users to be able to click on the About, I want them to be able to click on the list below. I will choose here to disable this link. And then I will create and save. Okay, I will then go on to create our work. It works exactly the same. New menu, I will choose my domain. No code, our work. And I will disable the link so that it's not clickable. Now I can start to reorder my menus to put them, the menus that I want into the main menus. I click reorder and I will drag the About menu in under the main menu, and I will do the same with our work. And I return. Now this page will have next to the main menu a little cross. I will click on it and that will tell me that there are new other menus under here. And now I can continue to create more menus. So for example, if I want to create the menus menu options here under About, for example, who we are. I will go and I will click New Menu, choose my domain, no code. I will type in the title, who we are, and I will choose Enable this link because I want people to be able to click on the link or on the menu, and that will open up a new page for them. So when I enable this link, I will also choose what kind of page that this will open up. So in this case, I wanted to open up a static page, which is something we'll go through in another video, but it is basically all the pages on your website that go on the menus here are static pages. So most of the time you will choose static page. And here you can choose if you want it to open up in the same tab or in a new tab. And this is up to you. On HarassMap, we're choosing to open it in the same tab. You can ignore the last two and just create and close. Now I can again reorder my menus. The Who We Are menu turned up here at the bottom of the list. So to make sure that it appears where it should be, I will go to reorder. I will click and drag Who We Are to be under our work. I will return to menus and I will find that little cross at the Our Work, click on it, and I will see that Who We Are is where it should be under Our Work. This is simply how you create menus. You can create as many menus as you'd like. Just make sure to reorder them in the right positions, that they are in the right folders, and this way they will also show correctly on your website. When you have created your menus and you have also created your pages, which you will find here in the top panel under Pages, you can also start to link the pages with the menus so that these options here will actually be clickable and will open up to a real page. So how you do this is to go to the menu that you want to link to a page, for example, the Who We Are, and you will choose here under No Page Link. When you have created pages, you will find a selection of different pages right here, and you can choose it. You can also put a direct URL, and this is how you will link your menu to the page that you want it to lead to. When you have done that, you will also just click Save. And when you go on your website and you try to click on Who We Are, that's the page that you will open up.